Oh, welcome guys, welcome to my Leetcode solving section. So this video, let's talk about this A60 lemonade change. Okay, so I mean there's a lemonade stand and each lemonade costs 5. Okay, and customer are standing in a queue to buy from you. So basically the first customer, second customer, and there are 3. Okay, so each one and order one at a time, right? So yeah, so for example, 5, 5, 5, 10, 20 means that so each customer will buy 1 lemonade and pay with either 5, 10, 20. So that means the first guy give you $5, $5, $5, and the first guy give you $10 and $20. Okay, and you must provide a current change. So that means if somebody give you $10, you need to pay you need to give it $5. If somebody give you $20, then you need to give 110 or 1.15 or 3.5. Okay, so return true if only if you can provide every customer with correct change. Okay, so from the first 3 customers, right? So for this example, let's see. Okay, so from first 3, right? You'll get 5 bills, 3, and then from the first customer, we collect the 10, right? So we can give it 1 back. And then from the 5th customer, we give it 10 and give it 5. So it's true that everything get correct as output true. So this is true, right? Because yeah, and this is false because the first guy give you $10, then you don't have money to get it back. Okay, now this is the 5, 5, 10, 10, 20. So you get 2, 5, and then somebody give you 10, then you give a 5. Somebody give you 10, you give a 5, right? But 20, you don't have enough 5. Okay, so this problem is actually it's easy once you understand the trick. Okay, so in order to solve this, let's define a number of 5 means that how many $5 we have, and number of 10 initialized to be 0. Okay, so yeah, but we don't care about number of 20. Okay, then we iterate a b. Okay, so the result is very easy. So if somebody give you $5, then it's fine that you just accept it, right? You don't have to do anything. So if I equals to 5, then you just add the number of 5, right? If I equals to 10, right? So if I equals to 10, then what you should do? Then you should give it 5, right? You must give it 5. So if I equals to 10 and you don't have enough $5, then return false. Otherwise, the number of $5 minus 1 and number of $10 plus 1, right? So the most difficult part is n equals to 20, right? So if somebody give you 20, then there are some cases. So if you get $20, there are 2 cases, right? The first case is that there are 3 cases. The first case is that you can so if you have 10, 110 and 15, then you can give it to him, right? So if number of 5 is greater or equal to 1 and number of 10 greater or equal to 1, then you can give it. So number of 5 will minus 1, number of 10 will minus 1. If this is not a case, then you can give it 3, 5. Right, so suppose then you can give it 3, 5. So number of 5 greater than 3, then you can greater or equal to 3, then you can give 3. Otherwise, that means that you don't have any way to solve it, then you return false. Alright, so this is condition you need to return false. If it bypass all the tests, then it should return true. Okay, so it's just the straightforward. Once you understand the question is straightforward, everything will be clearly. Okay, very quick. Okay, I will see you guys in the next video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel. Thanks.